Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell, and this is a part 2 to my Winterfest piece because I don't feel like I'm done with this and I want to finish. And I've got several pieces of acetate, like a small one. I don't think I'm going to use the larger ones, but I think I am going to take some of my cell activator and link a few things with some squares. Just borrow some colors from here, there, and everywhere, and hope that I make a composition that I like. I might add a few colors. This might be very brief, if I like what's happening. I do seem to have a burr in the middle of my card, which is too bad because I'm leaving a line and everything. But I definitely felt like the composition was lacking a little something something. Especially since when I started I forgot to leave my gaps. Alright, I'm happier with this already. Much happier, in fact. I don't think it matters if the colors don't match exactly. I think it adds interest to the whole composition. And I'm surprised I'm getting away with borrowing colors as well as I am. Still not happy that that burr is in there, but it doesn't seem to be... Oh. I don't do that very often. You can always use the other side. I think I'm almost done though. I'm just going to keep using up the little bit of cell activator I had run off. There we go, that's better. Get rid of that line. Well, I thought I did anyway. I have a lot more balance than I did before. And I'm actually happy. Very pleased, in fact. I don't mind a little bit of highlight. I don't mind the odd shapes popping up. I thought I wouldn't like incomplete marks, but I do. And I like the gold is showing through, and I like that the eye's not drawn to this one solid area that I forgot to leave a space in. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thanks for coming back. Thanks for subscribing. I hope you stay around for a while. I have over 29 lists of 100 videos in my collection, and I have a members library of over 80 lists, 80 videos, probably 90 by now. And this time, yeah, I'm actually really happy with that. So I'm going to zoom in and show you what I can show you, and then I'm going to call it good. Tell you, please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos. You help me out, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by. If you have questions, feel free to ask. If you're looking for my Amazon link, it's on the link tree near the coupon code for Colourarte products. Sometimes 20% off, sometimes more. Underneath the video, you'll find my spring. My spring is got all over prints and a lot of more cool stuff. On the link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist, Fluid Art, Studio, Fluid Art, and more Studio Appreciation group. And if I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. If you're interested in contacting me, please use my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. When you share my videos, you help me out, and I really appreciate that. Your comments cheer me up, and they help me out too. So the longer you watch, the better off I am, and I appreciate you guys who do that. Thank you to all the new members. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. You can find the icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. If you like what I do, please give me a like, a subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Make sure the whole thing is in view. See you anon.